Hi guys, today I want to show you this electric nipple corrector. This is going to be if you have like inverted or flat nipples and you want to maybe breastfeed or pump your baby. This is going to help kind of correct that issue for you. So we'll show you how to use it. This is everything that it's going to come with. Very simple to use. Here is your machine. You can go ahead and charge it here, plug it into outlet, computer, whatever. Super easy and convenient and small to fit in your bag. Couple tubings, I'll show you how to do it. You're going to see this little spot here. You're going to hook the long tube up here. And then this is going to have the double tube. And that's where you hook each one of these onto. It's going to be a nice closed system for you. Very easy. And then you're going to hook it up to each one of the nipple correctors. Very, very simple, very, very easy. The cord is very long, so you can have it, very portable for the car, wherever you need. It's also going to come with two of these for like nighttime, so you don't hook these up to the machine or anything. This is just going to be nipple correctors maybe in the middle of the night. If your baby likes to feed at night, that way you don't have to bring the pump out. This may work for you too, so you'll just kind of put those on top of your nipples, and that'll help maintain the shape and correct the shape and help keep your nipples pointed out rather than in. So again, a set of that. And then we'll show you how to use this. I'll demonstrate here. You can set these easily on each one of your nipples, and then you're going to turn this on. Just hold it down, it's going to come on. Now your strength is here to do the higher suction, and then you're going to have 4 different modes. So you have consolidate, strength, correct, and repair. So a couple different options to feel what works right for you. So you can go ahead and turn that on. Get it to your desired suction. And this is what's going to help pull your nipples out. So you can see that it's going to suction it. This is going to help bring them out gently, safely. And again, you can switch between the different modes to figure out exactly which one you like. Super, super easy to use. And to turn it off, you just hold it down. So overall, a safe, easy piece of equipment that easily fits in your bag and anywhere you need to go.